પેલી થાળી આપજો ને જરા, પેલી થાળી આપજો ને, પેલી એ થાળી તમારી પૂજા. તમે અહીં બેસી થેન્ક યુ. વક્રતુંડ મહાકાય. હું થોડી પૂજા ચાલુ કરું પછી આ ચાલુ થશે એટલે બોલીશ બધા જોડે. સૂર્યકોટી સમપ્રભ નિર્વિઘ્નમ ગુરુ મે દેવ સર્વકાર્યેષુ સર્વદા. શુભમ ક્ષેમમ કલ્યાણમ આયુષ્યમ આરોગ્યમ ઐશ્વર્યમ નિર્વિઘ્નેન ભવતુ. શુભમ ભવતુ શુભમ ભવતુ શુભમ ભવતુ. વિનાયકમ ગુરુમ ભાનુ બ્રહ્મા વિષ્ણુ મહેશ્વરાન સરસ્વતી પ્રણમ્યાદો સર્વકાર્યાર્થ સિદ્ધયે. વિઘ્નેશ્વરાય વરદાય સુરપ્રિયાય લંબોદરાય સકલાય જગદ્ગીતાય. So this word you can put it down. નાગાનનાય શ્રુતિ યજ્ઞ વિભૂષિતાય. I will leave it here, right? ગૌરી સુદાય ગણનાથ નમો નમઃ. Now we are around you, so nobody can attack you. Okay, good. Right? गौरी सुदाय गणनाथ. गणेश जी की थोड़ी पूजा करेंगे. गणनाथ મૂકી દો આગળ. નમો નમસ્તે ત્યાં પણ મૂકી દો. ઓમ કેશવાય નમઃ સ્વાહા. 3 વાર પાણી પી દીધું તમે. ओम केशवाय नमः स्वाहा. पी जाओ. 3 बार पानी पीना. यू हैव टू ड्रिंक 3 टाइम्स. ओम केशवाय ड्रिंक इट नमः स्वाहा. दूसरी बार ओम नारायणाय नमः स्वाहा. तीसरी बार ओम माधवाय नमः स्वाहा. और चौथी बार पीछे की ओर हाथ धोना है. ओम गोविंदाय नमः. पीछे की पाछळની બાજુ હાથ. यदि हस्तम प्रक्षाल्य अपवित्र पवित्रो वा. આપો આપો યા અહીંયા જ છે. अपवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्था गतोऽपि वा समायाभ्यन्तर शुचि. ओम पुंडरीकाक्षाय नमः. ओम पुंडरीकाक्षाय नमः. ओम पुंडरीकाक्षाय नमः. स्वस्ति स्वस्ति स्तुया विनाशाख्या धर्मकल्याण बुद्धिदा विनायकं प्रिया नित्यं तांच स्वस्ति ब्रुवन्तु नः. मंत्रार्था सफला सन्तु पूर्णा सन्तु मनोरथाः. शत्रूणां बुद्धिनाशोऽस्तु मित्राणां उदयस्तु. या श्री स्वयं सुखदिनां भवनेषु लक्ष्मी पापात्मनां कृतदयां हृदयेषु बुद्धि श्रद्धा सतां कुलजनं प्रभवस्य लज्जा तात्वां न तास्म परिपालय देवी विश्वम्. ओम श्रीमन्महागणाधिपते नमः. ओम इष्टदेवताभ्यो नमः. ओम कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः. ओम ग्रामदेवताभ्यो नमः. ओम स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमः. ओम वाणीहिरण्यगर्भाभ्या नमः. ओम लक्ष्मीनारायणाभ्या नमः. ओम उमामहेश्वराभ्या नमः. ओम शचीपुरन्दराभ्या नमः. आदित्यादि नवग्रह देवताभ्यो नमः. वास्तुदेवताभ्यो नमः. नवकुलनाग देवताभ्यो नमः. एतत् प्रधान देवता श्री महागणपते नमः. माता पितृ चरणकमलेभ्यो नमः. सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः. પેલું હતું તે લઈ ગયો પાછું. નહીં તો એમાં બોલો. सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. परम गुरुभ्यो नमः. परात्पर गुरुभ्यो नमः. परमेष्टि गुरुभ्यो नमः. निर्विघ्नमस्तु. पुण्यं पुण्याहं दीर्घमायुरस्तु इति भवन्तु भवन्तु. पुण्यं पुण्याहं दीर्घमायोः सुमुखस्य एकदन्तस्य कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरस्य विक्तो विघ्ननाशो विनायक धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षो बालचन्द्रो गजानन. द्वादशेतानि नामानि यः पठे शृणुयात् विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे स्तः सङ्ग्रामे सङ्कटेशैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते. शुक्लाम्बरधरं देवं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. अभिप्सितासिद्ध्यर्थं पूजितो यास्मासुरेः सर्वविघ्नहरस्तस्मै गणाधिपते नमः. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरि नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते. तिथि विष्णुसुतावारो नक्षत्रं विष्णुरेव च योगश्यं करणं सेवं सर्वविष्णुमयं जगत्. ओम विष्णुर्विष्णुर्विष्णु श्रीमद्भगवतो महापुरुषस्य विष्णुराज्ञया प्रवर्तमानस्य अद्य ब्रह्मणे द्वितीय परार्धे श्री श्वेतवाराह कल्पे वैवस्वत मनोन्तरे अष्टाविंशतितमे कलियुगे कलिप्रथम चरणे भूलोके अमेरिका नाम खंडे अमेरिका नाम देशे अटलांटिक महासागर तीरे अडसन नद्या पश्चिम तीरे डेलेव नद्या पूर्व तीरे न्यूजर्सी नाम राज्ये सेडल नद्या तीरे माहवा नाम ग्रामे पंचमो सप्तशो युग्म सहस्र विक्रम संवत्सरे स्वाति नक्षत्रे तुला राशि ते चंद्रे मेष राशि ते सूर्य धन राशि ते श्री देवगुरु शेषेषु ग्रहेषु यथायथम राशि स्थांसदेषु मांगल्यप्रदे शुभकारि पुण्यपवित्रं मासोऽयं मासे चैत्रमासे कृष्णपक्षे प्रथमां तिथौ शनिश्चरवासरे काश्यप गोत्रस्य श्री उमेश कुमार स्मिता देव्या सपत्नीका बदामि औटङ्कानां यजमानो अहं यथावर्तमान नक्षत्रयोग कर्ण लग्न और संवाहे एवं ग्रहगण विशेषण विशिष्टायां शुभ पुण्यतिथो बोलो मम सुताया शुभ लग्न अंगत्वेन निर्विघ्नता सिद्धि अर्थे श्री महागणपति पूजन अहम करिष्ये. So ladies and gentlemen, or now the microphone system is working. So I welcome all of you in this auspicious ceremony on the behalf of the Badami family and the Shah family. Umesh Bhai Shah and Smita Ben Badami. Sorry, Umesh Bhai Badami and
Originally Shah jata hu.
Originally he was Shah, but because of profession they changed to Badami. So Smita Ben and Umesh Bhai Badami family, their daughter Avni Badami, her wedding with the son of the Shah family, Abhinandan and Padmaja Shah, and the son Bhartesh Kumar, his wedding ceremony with Avni. Now, this is the religious ceremony that we are going to perform with everything else you did, all the dancing, music, the garba, and it's all important, it's a pleasure. You should enjoy the life. But at the same time, we are coming to this other side of the spirituality, because we are not just meeting two families, we are also meeting two people, two hearts, two minds, and more so, the meeting of two souls. That is very important. Now, soul is something that you don't see, you just have to feel it. It's a feeling, right? The love feeling, the care feeling, and that always is increased or generated with the spirituality. So now, under this canopy, we are going to generate a spiritual atmosphere by doing Lord Ganesh Puja. And under that atmosphere, these two, the bride and the groom, Bhartesh and Avni, will join their hands. And the blessings of all the divinity and blessings of fire, Lord Fire, and also the blessings of all of you will give them the strength to fuse those two souls so that they can live together forever, grow, progress, harmony, peacefully, and be strong at the social level, at the financial level, at the professional level, and be like leaders of the society and not like the followers. So that is the whole idea of this ritual of Vedic ceremony, is to generate a family which become leader and guide the society in a right direction. This is the whole idea here, and we will try to, with your help, it will happen. So I will request all of you to just be patient, join with us in our prayers, and we'll conduct the ceremony. There are a lot of things to know what is happening, and it is interesting. You will learn a lot of things. So let me continue with Ganesh Puja. So Ganesh Pujanam aham karishye apasarpantu te bhuta ye bhuta bhumi sasida ये भूता विघ्नकर्तार स्ते नश्यन्तो शिवाग्नया कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कंठे रुद्रा समासिता मूले तस्य स्थितो ब्रह्म मध्ये मातृगणासिता कुक्षो तु सागरा सर्वे सप्तदीपा वसुंधरा ऋग्वेदो यजुर्वेदो सामवेदो वसरणवा अंगेश्च सहिता सर्वे कलशाम्बो तु समासिता अत्र गायत्री सावित्री शांति पुष्टि करी सदा आयान्तु मम शान्त्यर्थ दूरदीक्षैकारिका गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु ब्रह्माण्डोदरतीर्थानि करे स्पृष्टानि तेरवे तेन सत्येन मे देव तीर्थं देहि दिवाकर. So with this Kalash Pujan we have invited all the Tirth Sthan in this place and we are trying to make this place as pure as possible. Apavitra pavitro va sarvavastha kutopi va yasmaret pundarekaksham sabaya bhyantar suchi adideva namastubhyam prasida mama bhaskara divakara namastubhyam prabhakara namaste bodhipdeva rupatsvam कर्म साक्षी यज्ञकृत यावत् कर्म समाप्ति स्यात् तावत् त्वं सुस्थिरो भव शुभं करोतु कल्याणं आरोग्यं सुख संपद मम शत्रु विनाशार्थ दीपर्ज्योति दीपर्ज्योति नमस्ते दीपस्थ देवताये नमः सूर्यनारायणाय नमः वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सिद्धि बुद्धि सहित श्री महागणपते नमः. ध्याये ध्यायामि ध्यानार्थे आवानार्थे आसनार्थे पुष्पदलं समर्पयामि प्रतिष्ठान्ते अक्षतान् समर्पयामि प्रतिष्ठा सर्वदेवानां मित्रावरणनिर्मिता प्रतिष्ठादे करोमत्रे मंडले देवते सह सिद्धिबुद्धि सहित श्री महागणपति सुप्रतिष्ठितो वरदो भवत स्नानशाले संस्थाप्य उष्णोदकं निर्मलं च सर्वसौगन्ध्य संयुक्तं पादप्रक्षालनार्थायं दत्तं ते प्रतिगृहीताम्. ओम पूर्व स्वा सिद्धि बुद्धि सहित श्री महागणपते नमः. पाद्योपाद्यम जरा दूर करना हो जरा छड़ी करना रिमूव करना. So a small Ganesh Puja, we will not make it too elaborate here, but a small Ganesh Puja to establish the Ganesh ji energy here, and then in his presence we will do everything else. So Bhagwan ne jara sthan karo abhishek sthanam. पाद्योपाद्यम हस्तयोर्गम मुखे आचमन्यम स्नानं समर्पयामि पंचामृत स्नानं पयोदधि धृतं देवं मधु च शर्करायुधं पंचामृतम एक चमची पंचामृत भगवान चढ़े दो. पंचामृतम मया देव स्नानार्थं प्रतिगृहीतां सिद्धि बुद्धि सहित श्री महागणपते नमः. लोटस पंचामृत स्नानं समर्पयामि पंचामृत स्नानान्ते शुद्धोक स्नानं समर्पयामि शुद्धोक स्नानान्ते आचमन्यं समर्पयामि. गंगा सिंधु सरस्वती प्रणम्य शीर्षा देवं गौरीपुत्रं भगवान ने चोखा करना हो. विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यं आयु कामार्थ सिद्धेत प्रथमं वक्रतुंडं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिंगाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकं लंबोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजं च धूम्रवर्णं तथाश्वं नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकं एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननं द्वादशेतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यायाः पठे नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिं करं प्रभो. विद्यार्थी लप्ते विद्या धनार्थी लप्ते धनं पुत्रार्थी लप्ते पुत्रान् मोक्षार्थी लप्ते गतिं. जपेत् गणपति स्तोत्रं सर्वैर्मासैः फलं लभेत् संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नात्र संशयः. अष्टेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च भगवान जरा कंकुर तिलक चंदन तिलक ने थोड़ा चोखा अन्य फूल. अष्टेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च लिखित्वाय समर्पयेत् तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वा गणेशस्य प्रसादत. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा अनया पूज्या सिद्धि बुद्धि सहित श्री महागणपति प्रियताम नमः. So we did little bit of Ganesh Puja, and now we will do the Var Puja, the groom. We call it Madhuparka, which is like giving a highly respect to the groom. As a Var Raja, is a king of the day. Right? Today he is the king, right? And he will be given that respect. And it's only for one day, Tomorrow he'll be with me in the bus, And that's a very hard teaching here, They show you. This world is like that. If you digest this thing about world, then you can win everything. That this world will treat you like a king only for one day. You have only one day, right? So enjoy that and accept the fact that tomorrow you will be like others. And it's fine. It is okay. Once you understand that, you win the life, right? So that's the teaching. So Varraja, Madhu Parko. So here, let me put your feet in there. Today we're going to wash his feet. He's a big foot. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. We have both groom and bride, both are very healthy and strong, they're big, right? So the Vishtaro. So we are going to give asan. Vishtar is like giving you sinhasan. You're sitting on a chair already, but with the bride's father will give you the Vishtar. That's the asan to sit. It's very okay. Let me. It's hard to do things. Okay. So Vishtaram, like you are offering asan to Varraja, to the groom. So hold it like this. Om Vishtaro, 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 Pratigruhyadam. You are accepting this asana. He is giving you with respect. So sit on this chair. You are already sitting on a chair, but this is giving you like now official, right? Paperwork. So hey, take it and take it. And you are accepting the asana, sitting on it. So you can put this under your seat. Pratigruhyami means you are accepting the asana. Padyo, padyo, padyo. So, emna pag par jara pani redo. Pratigruhyadam, pratigruhyami. Argyo, argyo, argyo. Am pakad jo. A niche mukhi do. Am pakad jo. Argyo, 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 pratigruhyadam. Take it. Pratigruhyami. And pour some water in here. Argyo, argyam gruhanadesha gandha pushpakshadesa karunagaram deva gruhanardya namoste tambrapadre, both feet, tambrapadre isdam doyam gandha pushpan phalanidam sahiranyam dadamaryam gruhana varanayaka panchamrutam hari om sahasrashi. We treat Varraja is very high level, but what do you call high level? High level is Lord Vishnu, the Supreme. So here in the mandap is Vishnu Rupaya Varaya. He is in the form of Vishnu. And our Kanya, our bride, is Lakshmi Rupaya Kanyam. So here the meeting of Vishnu and Lakshmi is happening. And that is why the parents are washing his feet. There is nothing wrong with that. So Panchamrutam Sahasrashiraka Burugha Sahasraksha एक चमची पंचामृत पी दो सहस्रपात सबूमिगुम सर्वतस्पृत्वात तिष्ठदशांगुलम અને જરા પાણીથી ધોઈ કાઢો પુરુષ એવેદગુમ સર્વમ યદ્ભૂતમ યચ ભાવ્યમ ઉતામૃતત્વશેષાણો દદન્નેનાતિરોહતિ एतावानस्य महिमातो यायांश पूरुखा पादोष विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादशामृतन्ति श्रीपादूर्ध्व उदेत् पुरुखा पादोषे हाभवत् पुनः ततो विख्वं वृत्क्रामत्साशन नशने अभि ततो हिराड कंकु चढ़तु कंकु पगु पर ततो विराट जायत विराजो अधिपूरुका सजादो अत्यारिचत पश्चात् भूमधो पुरा तस्माज्ञा सर्वभूतः सम्प्रतं प्रखदाजं पशुस्तांशक्रे वायव्या नारण्यग्राम्याश्चये तस्माज्ञा सर्वभूतरे च सामानि जग्निरे छन्दागुंसि जग्निरे तस्मात् जजुजस्माद् जायत. So this another asan, usually the kings they sit on a sinhasan, and then the right foot is on also another small asan, you know. So this is that under the another asan under the feet. So Vishtaro, Vishtaro, Vishtaro under the right foot, Pratigruhyatam, Pratigruhyami, Madhuparko, Madhuparko. So this is Madhupark, is this part of the ceremony is we are doing the climax here. This Madhupark is given to the Varaja to eat. It's an equal mixture of the yogurt and the butter and the honey. And you can eat it just one spoon or half spoon, whatever you like, right? So here, તમે આમ પકડો. મધુપર્કો 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 પ્રતિગૃહ્યતામ પ્રતિગૃહ્યામિ. And now you remove the leaf, right? And then 3 times take it out in this plate. Hold on. So 3 times take it out for others and then you eat, right? So 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. Just Om Madhuvatarayatayade Madhuksharande Sindhavah Mardvena Sandogadihi Madhunaktamudogaso Madhumatpardivagum Raja Madhudyorastuna Pita Madhumano Vanaspatir Madhuma Astu Surya Marvirgaho Bhavanduna. So that is given respect to the Varaja, the groom, the king of the day. And now the bride will be invited into the mandap. And we will all rise and welcome her. I am sure DJ may have his way of bringing her in. So please, Mr. DJ, you want to take it over and arrange for the bride to come in. Meanwhile, we will have 2 boys from both families to come here to hold the antarpat. So those 2 gentlemen, please come, remove the shoes and come on the podium. We are going to sing a Manglastakam, right, while they are preparing the bride to come in. This Manglastak is a beautiful thing, and you're really giving the blessings to this newlywed couple. They are entering into the Grahasthashram. It's a big step. From Brahmacharya Ashram, they are transiting into the Grahasthashram. It's a family life. They want to join together and raise a family. That's a big task. And those who know, who are married, they know it, how many responsibilities are there. They need that extra strength. And your blessings will give them that extra strength. So please, pray with me. I'm going to sing a Manglastakam. At the end of the Manglastakam, there are 3 times we will say, Kuryat Sada Mangalam. So you should say that, Kuryat Sada Mangalam. Say it loudly. Sometimes I notice the crowd is very shy and they don't want to say it and they feel like, I said, don't be shy. This is our culture. You are singing and dancing outside. You are very loud over there. So be loud here too. It's okay, right? Siddhi Buddhipati Ruda Ganapati Brahma Shiva Shankara Lakshmi Vishnu Graho Sahu Munigano Yaksho Ane Kinnaro Koti Te Trisadevayo Nimahije Ne Pitruo Sarvate Avi दंपती शिरपरे मांगल्यवृष्टि करो आवो स्वागत देव सर्व शुभ कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. So 3 times. कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. So you are blessing them. You live together with harmony, peacefully. Join your hands together, help each other, and be very strong. Respect each other. Respect each other as a Lakshmi and Vishnu. Otherwise, the lawyers will come in the family and the doctors will come in the family and wealth will go away. We don't want that. We want you to be strong. And that's the blessings you are giving. This antarpat is representing antar, between the two. Now I say, what people will say, what are you talking about? There is no antar between the two. They know each other. They know each other for last 5 years. And they know very well each other. And that's what we think. And that's what they think. But there may be a very, very fine differences, very deep down, that we don't know, that nobody knows. The deep down differences between them is called antar. And that has to be removed completely. And that's what the antarpat, we are going to remove this antarpat in front of them with the mantras. And if there is a small, fine, small cracks, small difference of opinions, small difference of far away, nobody knows, will surface later on. And it happens. You can see people's life, it happens after 2-3 years. We don't want that. We want everything to be completely rooted out and joined together, fused together, 100% fusing. And that's what we are doing this with the spirituality. Spirituality has a power to do that. So I am going to sing another Mangala Ashtakam that is from Jain Shashan. And they gave me this and I am going to sing it. Arhanto Bhagavanta Indra Mahita Siddhyasharu Stishchasha Acharya Jinashashananatikara Ujja Upa Dhyayaka Sri Sindhatu Pathaka Sumanivara Ratnodvayo Radhaka Panjete Parastina Pratidin Karo कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. अभी थोड़ा कंपटीशन करेंगे, राइट? जरा लाउड से बोलो. कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. नाउ दिस ग्रुप. कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. और सब एक साथ टुगेदर. कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. सुमुहूर्त सावधान. तो सब सावधान करते हैं, राइट? दिस इज joining, entering into a grahastha ashram is a lot of fun, is enjoying the life, enjoying raising children, growing families, a lot of pleasure there. At the same time, is a lot of challenges there too, and we are alerting both of it. We are doing all the enjoyment, at the same time we are saying savdhan, right? So, Sumavrata savdhan, Varakanya savdhan, Ratna Deepaka savdhan, So are we ready? Is the bride ready to come in?
The first entrance will be the flower girl. Flower girl Sanvi. Please, big round of applause for Sanvi, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause. Followed by the bride sisters, Ami and Anjali. And Parthesh's sister, Aishwarya. Next, we have the bridesmaids and the groomsmen entrance, Chinali and Sagar, Rupa and Anand, Sejal and Vatsal, Amrita and Meg, Kat and Sanjay, and Vivian and Chris. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And last but definitely not the least, we have the ring bearer. Please, big round of applause for Nevin, ladies and gentlemen.
कभी कभी ऐसे दिलों से लग है जाती आग भी। धुले धुले से आंचलों पे लगे बदल।
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, please welcome our beautiful bride, Avni. Big round of applause. Avni's entering with her mama and her dad, Rajesh Shah and Umesh Shah. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Umesh Badami.
मैं तुझ में रंग जाऊंगी तेरे इश्क दा।
Hey, Mama, thank you very much for bringing up. Okay. So now, thank you. Give one to Avni. Now, is this too much for you? You take it out? Yeah. Let's take it out. हाँ. किस में? हाँ हाँ. कोई बात. Okay. So we'll remove the Antarpat now. Tadeva laganam sudinam tadeva Taravalam chandravalam tadeva Vidyabalam devabalam tadeva लक्ष्मीपते ते दीर्घं स्मरामि. All right. So now, Bhartesh and Avni, come a little bit in the front over there, both of you. Look at each other with the mala. And like I was explaining them, you are going to respect each other as a Lakshmi and Vishnu, right? Avni is Lakshmi for you for rest of the life, and he is Vishnu for you. So, and I'm losing the microphone here. So, can I have microphone? So you continue respecting each other like that, like and sometimes you say, oh, you don't know how to do this, and so don't do that, right? Respect each other and work together. And if you do that, you will grow very strong in the society. And that's what all of here, we want that, right? So Avni, you will go first. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Gurudadvaja, Mangalam Pundarikaksha, Mangalaya Tanuvari, Sarva Mangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadhike, Sharane Trambake Gauri, Narayane Namostute, Narayane Namostute, Narayane Namostute. And now we'll do a small puja of Lakshmi, just like we did the puja of Vishnu. And Lakshmi, you will wash her feet also, the same way we did for Bhartesh. And Smita Ben. So તમે એમની બેસી જાઓ ને તમે they will fix it. These girls, they know what to do, right? તમે શાંતિ, તમે એના પગ ધોવાના છે. So wash અવનીના પગ ધોવાના, ઉતરતું પાણી, પછી ઉતરતું પંચામૃત, પછી ફરી પાણી, પછી લૂછી કાઢજો અને પછી ચડતું કંકુ અને ચોખા અને પુષ્પ, રાઈટ? આટલું કરવાનું છે. So I will not say anything in between. Let's go ahead. Om Hiranyavranam Harinim Suvarna Rajasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatvedo Ma'avah Tam Avah Jatvedo Lakshmi Madhugaminim Yasyam Hiranyavindeyam Gamashyam Purushanam Aswapurvam Rathamadhyam Astinada Prabodhinim Sriyam Devi Upamaye Srimadevi Jushadam Kasospitam Hiram Prakaram Madram Jalandim Truptam Darvayantim Padme Siddham Padmavaranam Tamihopa Have Shriyam Chandra Prabhasam Isham Jalandim Sriyam Loke Devajishtam Dharam Tam Padminimim Sharanam Prabhadya Lakshmi Me Nashadam Tam Rune Kasospitam Hiram Prakaram Madram Jalandim Truptam Darvayantim Padme Siddha Padmavaranam Tamihopa Have Shriyam. So we did a small Lakshmi Pujan here, because at this time our bride is equivalent to goddess Lakshmi. Lakshmi Rupaya Kanyam in the mandap. And now we want to join them together one by one, piece by piece. So first the Granthi Bandhanam. So we have a red cloth here that you are going to tie with Avni, one end, and we have a white cloth here that will tie with Bhartesh, and he has this one. Yeah, we have this one. Yeah, chunni, use the chunni. Any chunni par karo. Back. Yeah, back is fine too. Ganadipam namaskrutyam umalakshmim saraswatim dampatyo rakshanarthaya Granthi Bandhan Karomyaham Sri Deva Deva Kuru Mangalani Santana Vruddhe Kuru Sandadasya Dhanaya Vruddhe Kuru Ishtadeva Tava Granthi Bandhe Shubhada Bhavantu. So you stay tied like this together, means walk together. Sahacharo Bhavishyami बोलते हैं, थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो राइट, कि साथ में चलेंगे. अभी से हम एक प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं, we two are taking a vow here, we will walk together. सहचरो भविष्यामि. और निष्ठा, पूरी निष्ठा से एक दूसरे को प्यार करेंगे. मीन्स पूरा मीन्स 100% loyalty to each other, 100% truthfulness to each other, right? And that will be for this life, forever, until the end of the life. That's what we are saying, right? So, सहचरो भविष्यामि. पूर्ण प्रेम सदा, पूर्ण स्नेह प्रदायते, and love each other fully. पूर्ण स्नेहम, right? प्रदायते. So, is that we are. So, હવે તમે આ બે જણને વચ્ચેની, હા પાણી થાળી કરો, પગ ઉપર લઈ લો અને થાળી મને આપી થાળી, વચ્ચેની ગ્રંથિ બાંધી દો. શ્રીદેવ દેવ કુરુ મંગલાની સંતાન વૃદ્ધે કુરુ સંતદસ્ય ધનાય વૃદ્ધિ કુરુ ઇષ્ટદેવ. હવે વચ્ચે કાંઠ મારો. તવ ગ્રંથિ વંદે શુભદા ભવન્તુ. Still the last tie is left. मांगल्य तंतुनायेना भर्तुर्जीवन हेतुना कंठे बदनामी सुभगे स्तम जीवम शरदाम शतम. तो ऐसे जब ऐसी तरह से जीवन जीते हैं तो वो लोग 100 साल तक जीते हैं. लंबा आयुष्य होता है उनका, क्योंकि दे आर हेल्दी, दे रिमेन हेल्दी, नो एग्रीवेशन. चलो तो फिर नाउ दिस टाइम वी ऑल्सो पुट द ग्रीवा सूत्र, द वरमाला, बिटवीन द टू ग्रीवा. द गर्दन बोलते हैं हम उसको. ग्रीवा मीन्स द नेक. सो फ्रॉम वन नेक टू अनदर नेक वी आर टाइंग ए रोप. We are tying a rope between the two necks, and this place, this time we can have all the elderly people, our vadils come on the stage, or is up to us. Everybody, all the mama, kaka, foi, bua, masa, masi, right? Dada, dadi, nana, nani, whoever they can come on the stage, please come. Just make it quick so we can perform this part here. Okay. Yeah. Tame be ubha thi jao. Stand up here. All this, all this, everybody will hold it. So now we can, Bhartesh, you, I think you can bring your chair a little bit forward. Uma Lakshmi Maheshwaram Dampatyo Rakshanardhaya Granthi Bandhan Karomyaham Sri Deva Deva Kuru Mangalani Santana Vruddhi Kuru Santasya धनाय वृद्धि कुरु इष्टदेव तव ग्रंथि वंदे शुभदा भवन्तु. मांगल्य तंतुनायेना भर्तुर्जीवन हेतुना कंठे बदनामी सुभगे. और अब पहना दो स्तम जीवम शरदाम शतम, स्तम जीवम शरदाम शतम. So all the elderly people are blessing this they are blessing this couple that you live 100 years of healthy and happy life, right? Stam jivam shadam shadam. Thank you very much, all of you, for coming and blessing the couple. And now you can take your seat. And now one more thing is called the Hastmilap, right? Is joining the hands, right? This is not only joining hands. This is not only about joining minds. It's also joining hearts. It's joining two souls, right? That's what we are doing. Also, at the same time, is happening. The two families are joining, and 7 generations of 2 families are joining too, So bring your hand, your right hand up here like this, your right hand, your right hand like this, and the parents will bless you. आप थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए, थोड़ा आगे आके आपको भी थोड़ा पानी देने को रखने का इसमें. तो आप पानी पावा लिखे ना, एक तमे ले लो और एक मैं आपको एक पानी का आपको देता हूँ. So bring your hand out, right? So you also have to go fast, right? So whatever I say, just put in their hand, right? So पानी डाल दो. शिवाप संतु संतु शिवाप सम्मन्य समस्तु अस्तु सम्मन्यस्य अक्षतम चारिष्टम. फूल मुकी दो. अक्षतम सौम्य समस्तु अस्तु सम्मन्यस्य अक्षतम चा. तमे ऊभा थी जाओ. तो चोखा मुकी दो. अक्षतम चोखा आमाथी चोखा. अक्षतम चारिष्टम चस्तु अस्पष्टम अरिष्टम च तांबूलानि पान्तु ऐश्वर्यमस्तु. एक पान मुकी दो. तो दूसरा पान उधर पे है, पीछे एक पान है, वो जरा ले लो. वो हाँ, और एक पान उनके हाथ में रख दो। तांबूलानि बांधो ऐश्वर्यमस्तु इति बांधो ब्रुवन्तु तांबूलानि बांधो ऐश्वर्यमस्तु। थोड़े फूल रख दो। पुष्पाणि बांधो सौश्रेयमस्तु इति बांधो ब्रुवन्तु पुष्पाणि बांधो सौश्रेयमस्तु। फिर चावल रख दो। अक्षतां बांधो आयुष्यमस्तु इति बांधो ब्रुवन्तु अक्षतां बांधो आयुष्यमस्तु। और पानी डाल दो। पुनत्रा बांधो स्वार्जितमस्तु इति भवन्तो ब्रुवन्तु पुनर्त्रा बांधो स्वार्जितमस्तु। पानी पकड़ के रखने का है। पानी पकड़ होल्ड द वाटर एंड दीर्घमायु। दिस इज द टाइम यू आर ब्लेसिंग योर चिल्ड्रन, राइट? यू हैव डन lot of hard work to raise them to this level, right? And that is called tapasya. You did lot of tapasya to bring them to this point here, right? And that at that time when you bless them, the blessings will come true. And your blessings is dirghamayu shanti pushti tushti Sri Yasho Vidya Vinavittam Bahuputram Bahudhanam Chayusham Jastu Iti Bhavantu Bruvantu श्रेय शांति पुष्टि तुष्टि श्री यशो विद्या विनवितम बहुपुत्रम। नहीं नो यू जस्ट होल्ड इट लाइक वो रख दो नीचे। बहुपुत्रम बहुधनम जामिषम जासो इति भवन्तो ब्रुवन्तु। आप इनका हाथ नीचे से पकड़ के रखिए। नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक हर हैंड एंड पुट ऑन हिज हैंड लाइक दिस, राइट? लेकिन हम उनको पूछेंगे सहचरो भविष्यामि, उनके साथ चलेंगे, राइट? पक्का पूर्ण स्नेह प्रदाय दे, पूरा प्यार करेंगे, राइट? और सत्य और निष्ठा से जिएंगे। तो हमारी कन्या का हाथ आपके हाथ में रखने में हमने कोई हर्जा नहीं है, राइट? वी आर राइट। सॉरी राइट। सो वी आर आस्किंग हिम यू विल लव अवर डॉटर? यस, ही सेज यस। यू विल बी विथ हर ऑल द टाइम, यू विल बी ट्रूथफुल टू हर, राइट? एंड यू विल बी लॉयल टू हर एंड ही सेज यस टू एवरीथिंग. So then we have no problem putting your hand into in कन्यादानम महादानम सर्वदानेषु दुर्लभम. तो कन्यादान आपने किया है तो अभी ठीक है. हाँ है ना, बाजी दो. कन्यादानम महादानम सर्वदानेषु दुर्लभम. ना ना ऊपर ढाकी दो, कवर कर दो, कवर इट अप. And put this on top, right? गंगा सिंधु सरस्वती च यमुना गोदावरी नर्मदा. So what we are saying is the river starts from mountain and then goes all over the place and then finally meets the ocean. तो सागर और सरिता का मिलन जब होता है ना, तो that water cannot be separated. Once they meet each other, that's final destination. So this is the final destination for Avni to meet Bhartesh, right? So Ganga, तबर पकड़ी रखो ना. गंगा सिंधु सरस्वती च यमुना गोदावरी नर्मदा कावेरी सरयू महेंद्र तनया चर्मण्वती वेदिका क्षिप्रा वेत्रवती महासुरनदी ख्याता गया गंडकी पूर्णा पूर्ण जले समुद्र सहिता कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम. सुमुहूर्त सावधान, रत्न दीपक सावधान, वर कन्या सावधान, ग्रीवा सूत्र सावधान. तब अभी यू वांट राइस वी हैव. अच्छा आ कलश છે ને એમના માથે ઇટ ટચ ટુ હિઝ હેડ એન્ડ ધેન હર હેડ, રાઈટ? ભો દેવાહ મય્યમ સગુણિને મહાજના નમસ્કુર્વાણાય આશીર્વચન અપેક્ષમાણાય. એમના હાર્ટને ટચ કરો. અપેક્ષમાણાય એમના હાર્ટને. મયા કન્યાદાનમ કरणं પુણ્યમ પુણ્યાહમ ભવન્તો બ્રુવન્તુ Kalyanam bhavantu bruvandhu, Vruddhim bhavantu bruvandhu, Swastim bhavantu bruvandhu, Sri Rastu iti bhavantu bruvandhu, Astu Sri, Astu Sri, Astu Sri. So Kanyadanam, Mahadanam, Mata Pita, the parents of the bride, they finished their job, they gave Kanya to in his hands, he is done with his final payment, right? And now everything is yours, right? So now parents can go back, all of you can go back to your place and we'll deal with them, right? You done your part, right? तुम्हारी चेयर जरा आवाज कर दीजिए प्लीज जोड़ जोड़े आप आपकी जो चेयर है ना जरा पीछे कर देना जो आप चेयर लेके आए थे. So we did the first part of Kanyadanam or Hast Melap, and now we're doing the second part of the Mangal Fera, is invoking the fire, praying the fire, doing small havan, and then Mangal Fera. That is our second part. This will be done only by bride and groom, and no parents are involved. Parents can sit on the stage or wherever and observe and witness, right? So you can sit on it. It's fine, you're fine. Yeah. Right? So invoking the fire. Om Jatvari Shringa. So Agni ni Sakshi. We call it in the presence of Lord Fire. Agni Devni Sakshi Ma. આ કર્મ આપણે કરીશું. ઓમ Yeah, it's okay. Om Tatvari Shringadrayo Asya Pada Dve Shiraghe Saptahasta Asya Ridabado Rakha. Can you put this in the back? Ridabado Rakha Bhoro Ravidi Maho Devo Martyam Avivesha Yojaknam Nam Agne Namah Agni Vaishwara Shandile Gotra Shandila Sita Devale Titri Pravara Bhumi Mata Varunupita Mekha Tvaja Pranga Mukha Mama Sanmukho Bhava Yojak Nam Agnaye Namah Dhyaye Dhyayami Dhyanarthe Avanarthe Asanarthe Pushpadalam Samayami Namaskara Namaskarami Agnim Prajvalatam Vande Jatavedam Udashanam Hiranyavarnam Avalam Samruddham Visvadomukham. But I will just explain the importance of this, and we'll do a little quick one. But the importance of this Havan is the area where you're raising your family. You're starting a new family life. So called Grihastha Ashram, right? So that area should be peaceful. The politics in that area should be peaceful. The society, there cannot be a war zone, cannot be earthquakes, cannot be, it's a nice, peaceful, prosperous land, right? And that's where you should raise your family. But that land is not available without doing the yagna. So yagna will help you to create that peace and harmony in the society, and that is why this is a teaching in our Shastra. We teach you that in future in your life, make this yagna as part of your life, because that will bring you further up little bit easily. You can work hard and gain success, but you will have to work very hard. But with this, your work will be very easy. That's what the teaching here, right? So Om. So you will hold this and you will use this, right? And just 4 times. We'll just do 4 ahuti, right? Actually there are few havans, few parts we have to do, but because of the time constraint I will just do the only 4 mantra, right? But the havan you should understand what type of havan we do. We do Abhyatan Hom, that is for the benefit of the family. Then we do Prayashit home for asking for forgiveness. Then we do the Jaya home for victory over the competition, and also we do the Rashtra Bhuth home for the prosperity and peace in the society, right? But here we are going to do only for Gayatri mantra and done with it, right? So Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Swaha. Second one. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Swaha. Okay, so we are humans and we are very social animals. Immediately we start talking, right? But this is important now. The bride and groom will go around the fire 4 times. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Right? 4 rounds they are going to do. I will request all of you to come forward as much as you can. Take these flower petals. We have some rice here on both sides, and sprinkle on the couple as they take the rounds 4 times. Right? So we have enough of flowers and rice. આપણી પાસે ચોખા ને ફૂલ અહીંયા મૂકેલા છે. ગુજરાતીમાં બોલું છું. ઘણા લોકો એ અહીંયા આગળ આવજો અને આ જ્યારે 4 ફેરા ફરે ત્યારે તમે જરા ચોખા વધાવજો, ફૂલ વધાવજો એમની પર, and participate in this ceremony. ઓકે, તો ભાઈઓ, બ્રધર્સ, કન્યાના ભાઈ, એક ભાઈને બોલો. હા, તો એ અત્યારે આવે. કન્યાના ભાઈ આવી જાઓ. So brother is coming, and you can put this down. Okay. It's okay. Sorry. And only you can put this down too. Only you can give it to me. Yeah. Just put it down. It's okay. And now the brothers are coming, and you will rise. You will stand up. The both of you. So let us understand what we are doing here. Bhartesh will lead the round, the first round, and also the second round and the third round. Then 4th round comes, Avni will lead, and when you come back, she will automatically be on this side of the chair, this chair, and you will be on that chair, and then you sit down, right? That's the whole process of these 4 rounds. Now the first round is a dharma, is a moral responsibility. Second round is the artha, means financial responsibility. Third round is kama, means emotional responsibility, and 4th round is moksha, means spiritual responsibility. We have to live life in this with these 4 responsibilities. Bhartesh, when you go in the front, Avni will touch her right toe on this kshatrapal, the pathar, like a stone, like a shila, right? She'll be strong behind you, supporting you in your endeavor of living a life with moral responsibilities, right? And then she will also support you behind for financial responsibilities, and also support you from behind with emotional responsibilities. And then she will be in the front, and you will support her for spiritual rising in your life. Because ultimately the goal in the life is to rise spiritually, right? Thodi pacha kar do. Okay. Okay. So brothers, please come. Only one brother is coming, right? 4 જણા છો. ઓકે, તો પહેલું કોણ આવે છે? યુ આર. સો કમ ફોરવર્ડ. તમારે નો ઈ સ્ટે there. તમારે 2 હાથે લેવાનું છે. See this thing, you 2 hands, right? And put in your sister's hands, right? Okay? And you do that 4 times. So તમે આમ કરો, like this, and you put this under her, your hands under her hand, right? And then this lift. So go 4 times, right? Tadeva laganam sudinam tadeva, little bit. ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं. Go ahead. 4 times. विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते ते त्रियुगं स्मरामि. Okay. And now you will offer this to Lord Fire. Om Agne Swaha. Only, not the leaf, but just only this thing, right? Okay. Go ahead. Om Agne Swaha. Now, Bhartesh will hold Avni's hand, including thumb. Including thumb. हाँ. Thumb को ले लिया अंदर?
Yep.
हाँ. Yes. And then they cover it up. And now we'll walk the first round, right? Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnur Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarekaksha Mangalaya Tano Hari. So only touch your right toe here. Okay. Fix it. Okay. Okay. Now let go. Let go of the hands. Right. Do it like this again. Second time. Underneath. So 4 times. तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते ते त्रियुगं स्मरामि. Om Bhagaya. Okay, so don't let the leaf go, and just only this thing. Om Bhagaya Swaha. Very good. Now you hold her hand again, just like before, including thumb, and cover up. And then second round, Bijo Pharaoh, right? Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharane Brahmage Gauri. Avni, touch your toe here. Oh. Sharane Brahmage Gauri Narayane Namo. So we know Bhartesh is going to be rushing everything, right? We know that he is in hurry. But you have to let her touch the toe, right?
I got it. One more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you touch your toe.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, who is the third brother coming? So 4 times, right? 4 times with 2 hands.
Yep.
Go ahead. तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते ते त्रियुगं स्मरामि. ओम अर्यमणे स्वाहा. ओम अर्यमणे स्वाहा. Okay, and then same thing, you hold her hand, right? Including thumb. Cover it up. Now he knows what to do, right? And here, got expert. Go ahead. Sarva Sarve Sarveshe Sarva Shakti Samanvide Bhaibhyastrahino Devi Durge Devi Namostude. Okay. Now same thing. So 4th brother, right? So this is the round of spirituality. Two hands, yeah. Tadeva lagnam sudinam tadeva tara. Yeah, do like this, and then like this, right? Like this. Two hands like this. Tadeva lagnam sudinam tadeva taravalam chandravalam tadeva vidyavalam devalam tadeva lakshmi padete driyugam smarami om agnaye. So, Om Agnaye Swaha Agni Dutam Purodade Havyavaham Upabruve Devam. Now you will come in the front. Devam Asadaya. No, this turn around. Asadaya Diha. No, that's it. That's not too much. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now. Okay, now Avni will hold his hands, his right hand, including thumb, right? So when you come back, this time you will touch your toe here on the stone, and the brother will hold his. You got it here, yeah. Right? But let him go quickly, right? Yeah. So, yeah. So you touch that. And then keep moving, and you will come in the reverse position, right? And that time you will be sitting on this chair only, and Bhartesh will sit on that chair, right? That's all you have to do. Okay, let's continue. The fourth round. Shantagaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadaram Gaganasesham Megavaranam Shivangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogavejanam Vande Vishnu Bhagayaram Sarvalokaikinagam. अभी जाने दो, जाने दो, अभी जाने। Okay. Yes. So now you can let her go, let the hand go, and you can take your index or ring finger and the thumb and put the sindoor on her, on the crown, right? On the crown, not on the head, on the crown, right? Okay. So sindoor danam. Now I will request all of you, please, take a seat and enjoy the rest of the ceremony. Now the groom is putting the sindoor on the crown of bride, and let's witness that. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ और मंगलसूत्र परित्राण परायणे सर्वस्यार्थे हरे देवी नारायणी ये खुलेगा खुला है
खुला है।
हाँ खुला है नारायणी वो तो वही पहना है so put the mangal sutra on her neck right नारायणे नमोस्तुते मंगलम भगवान विष्णुर मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि शांताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगवीर्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुभवहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् So now we are going into the most important step of this ceremony is called Saptapadi. So the bride and the groom will walk together 7 steps and they will take 7 vows. So please keep quiet, everybody sit down. चलो आप बैठ जाइए अभी थोड़ा सुनना है इधर पे ये लोग एक दूसरों को क्या कहते हैं. Now the bride is telling the groom and the groom is telling bride about the 7 pratigna in presence of all of you and in presence of Brahmin. They are going to say these 7 vows to each other. And it is similar to like they are agreeing to this union, they are agreeing to this relation. We got permission from parents, we got permission from family members, we got permission from brothers. Everybody participated, everybody said okay to this union. But now the bride and groom themselves are saying okay to this union. So both of you will come up. And this is called Saptapadi, 7 vows, right? So I will say it in English and you repeat that, right? So come here. Just be careful with the fire. So you come. What happened to the stone? Stone किधर गया? उधर हाँ बस और है ना किसी को लग नहीं जाए और है किसी को लग नहीं जाए. So this time you will cross your hands, right? Like a shaking hand, right? And then cover it up. So जब when you do the last one, this is the first one. So when you get there. Then you will raise your both hands, both of you together, raise your hands and will declare you as husband and wife. Okay. Right? Okay? So you touch your right toe, both of you here, touch to the first betel nut, touch the right toe to the first betel nut and there goes the first vow. Now, like I said, you will look at each other in the eyes and tell this to each other, right? And say it loudly so they can hear you. Or if you want microphone, we can give you microphone. You want microphone? Okay. You want microphone? You want to speak in the microphone? Both of you? Yeah. So I will say it and then you just repeat that, right? And you, like I said, you look at each other. Don't look at other people. Right? You're telling each other. Right? Look in the eyes, right? So what we are saying today now is telling the truth, right? So truth you tell in the eyes, right? I consider myself lucky.
Consider myself lucky.
Now listen to this, guys, please, right? Yeah, you have to say loud. Yeah. I consider myself lucky
I consider myself lucky
to be sharing my life with you.
to be sharing my life with you.
I take this first step with you
I take this first step with you
to develop our physical,
to develop our physical,
mental,
mental,
and spiritual powers.
and spiritual powers.
So now go to the second middle one. थोड़ा लाउड बोल, थोड़ा जरा और जोर से बोलना, कोई बात नहीं, झूठ तो बोल नहीं रहे, सच बोल रहे हैं ना, तो जरा जोर से बोलना, राइट. I will protect interests of our family
I will protect the interests of our families
and will remain satisfied
and will remain satisfied
with my share of rights,
with my share of rights,
देखा है? Responsibilities.
responsibilities.
I take this second step with you
I take the second step with you
to increase our wealth
to increase our wealth
by righteous means.
by righteous means.
Right. So you are increase your wealth by doing right things, not the wrong things, right? Okay. Go to the third step. I will help provide
I will help provide
our home with nourishing foods
our home with nourishing foods
by avoiding foods
by avoiding foods
injurious to healthy living.
injurious to healthy living.
As I take this third step with you,
As I take this third step with you,
because now you have to eat healthy. You cannot have Taco Bell every day, right? Or Pizza Hut, right? When you are single, it was okay. Now you are raising family, right? So go to the fourth step. I will always share my knowledge
I will always share my knowledge
for happiness and harmony
for happiness and harmony
through my mind, body, and soul,
through my mind, body, and soul,
leading to a strong, healthy, and happy family.
leading to a strong, healthy, and happy family.
As I take this fourth step with you.
As I take this fourth step with you.
Okay. So take the fifth step now. So when two people walk these 7 steps together, they become friends forever. Oh, when two people, oh thank God, I was screaming, when two people walk together these 7 steps in front of Lord Fire, अग्नि की साक्षी में बोलते हैं, अग्नि की साक्षी में, they become friends forever. And this is like creating a permanent friendship. It is like nothing like, oh, he is higher, she is lower. It's not like that. They are equal and they're friends, right? And they're helping each other. This friendship is forever. The other friendships are maybe temporary for business, for pleasure, but this is a permanent friendship. That's what we are doing here. So fifth step, I will share in your joy and sorrow
I will share in your joy and sorrow
alike.
alike.
Exercise self-restraint
Exercise self-restraint
and will respect your wishes
and will respect your wishes
as I take this fifth step with you.
as I take this fifth step with you.
So there will be a joy, there will be a sorrow also in life, but you will work together. You will respect each other and face any problem, anything comes, you will face together and make it happiness, make it pleasure. Okay. And now the sixth step. I will gladly, and your voice should come out to louder than me because you are two people, right? I will gladly carry out all actions
I will gladly carry out all actions
for the common good
for the common good
and for our family
and for our family
by being with you
by being with you
forever
forever.
as I take this 7th step with you.
As I take this
7th step,
Seventh step
as I take this
with
6th
you.
step with you. Sorry. My mistake. As I take this 6th step with you. They caught my mistake. That's very good. They alert, right? That shows alertness, right? Right. So you will work for common good. Means you will, anything you do, you will see the interest of larger group and not just for yourself. Like you will not be selfish and just look at your benefit, but you will look at the benefit of the entire, the family, the society, and everybody, and take that action. So now the last step and the seventh step. In all phases of life,
In all phases of life,
dharma, artha, kama, and moksha,
dharma, artha, kama, and moksha,
I will help you
I will help you
as a true companion,
as a true companion,
lifelong partner,
lifelong partner,
and as a friend
and as a friend.
as I take this seventh step with you.
As I take this seventh step with you.
So they said these 7 vows in presence of Lord Fire, in presence of Lord Ganesh, in presence of parents and all the elderly guests, in presence of Brahmin. And when that is done, we can declare them as husband and wife according to the laws of State of New Jersey and United States of America. So congratulations. Okay. Now you will go back and sit on your own chair, like the one that you had before. So Bhadrash will sit on the right, on the left side, and Avni will sit on the right side. And we are going to tell them that now on, wife is always right. If Bhadrash follows that, life will be good, easy. Right? And now, the mother will bring the kansar. Go ahead. You will go first on her. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garudaja, Mangalam Pundarekaksha, Mangalaya Tanu Hari, Khargam Chakrakadeshu Chama Paridha, Shulam Pushundi Shira, Shankam Sandadidim Kare Srinenam, Sarvanga Bhusha Vrutam, Nilasmyati Masya Padadashagam, Seve Mahakalikam, Yamasto Sapite Haro Kamalajo, Hantu Madhum Kaidavam. Okay, so that's done. And now we call it in our old-fashioned way, we call it Kansar Bhakshan. Means they are going to take the first meal together. So they will say, well, we ate together so many times in the restaurant, right? You ate together. But this is different. This mother is bringing, and you are not eating, you are feeding. It's a big difference, right? And we are teaching you that make sure you feed her first before you eat, right? And we are teaching you also, make sure he eats. Sometimes he's sad, if something bad happens at work, he's depressed and says, I don't want to eat. Then you have to call him and say, no, come please eat. I will not eat without you. So that's a teaching we are giving here. So eat before, don't eat before each other, right? Eat together. Even if you are far away, make a phone call. Did you eat? Right? So that's the emotion we are creating here. Mother is bringing the kansar, and Avni will feed him. No, Avni, you go ahead first. Feed, no, you let go. You feed him 4 times. We have so many of them, so you can go ahead. So this is called Kansar Bhakshan, right?
कंसार के वो
So now on, you will make sure she eats well, right? Cup up. Right. That looks better. मम्मी पिला नहीं आप पिलाओ. You have to, there you go. Today is your time. पानी आता नहीं है भैया, थोड़ा पानी डाल दो. See, you are doing these things you will never do again. So take the chance, It's your opportunity. Done. Okay, so we're done with the Kansar Bhakshan. And the last step is the Akhanda Saubhagyavati. So the married woman from both families will come forward and they will whisper. There's a reason why they're whispering, You're giving the secret. They're giving a secret how to run a family. And this secret is given only to Avni. So they are going to whisper in her right ear, Akhanda Saubhagyavati Bhava. Right? The mother will come last. Right? The 5 women will come from this side first, then the other 5 from your side, and you are the last one. Right? चलो, तो कौन 5 लोग आते हैं? आपके 5. Who is coming from your side? अखंड सौभाग्यवती भव. तने साचवे सीता सती.
साचवे पार्वती अखंड सौभाग्यवती. तने साचवे पार्वती अखंड सौभाग्यवती. तने साचवे सीता सती अखंड
હા હવે એના ગળામાં પહેરી દો, આ વરમાળા એના ગળામાં પહેરી દો. તારો સાચો પતિ, તારો સાચો સગો છે પતિ, અખંડ સૌભાગ્યવતી ભવ. સો 7 પેઢીનો સંબંધ તમે બે જણા અને આપ दोनों आएंगे और इधर आगे इधर लाइन में इधर खड़े हो जाइए. તમે અહીંયા ઊભા થઈ જાઓ, રાઈટ? તમે અહીંયા આવી જાઓ સામ સામે, लाइक वो संधि होते हैं ना साम सामे, आमने सामने. संधि का अभी संधि का संबंध करेंगे ना, संधि लोग का संबंध करेंगे, राइट? तो हमारे लोग बोलते हैं the bride side is saying that we raised our daughter with lot of care, love. So what we are saying is that Bharat Deshe means in the country of India, right? Gurjar Rajya is the state of Gujarat. Ahmedabad Shehre is the city of Ahmedabad. This Avni's origin started. So Girdalal Kashyap Gotrasya Girdalal Badami Dasasya Prau Pautrim. आपको जरा सुनना है शांति से, प्लीज लिसन टू इट. काश्यप गोत्र से श्री अरविंद भाई दासस्य पौत्रीम, काश्यप गोत्र से श्री उमेश भाई दासस्य पुत्रीम, अवनी कुमारी नामनीम लक्ष्मी रूपाय कन्याम. तो बोलते हैं दी पेरेंट्स आर सेइंग दैट वी ब्रॉट दिस डॉटर, we raised our daughter with lot of love, lot of care, lot of respect, and we giving our daughter to your son as his wife, and we also expect that you, all of you, the whole family, love her more than we did. Kitna more? 1,000 times more, right? You love her 1,000 times more than they loved her, right? So give this rice in her hand. आपका नीचे हाथ, हाँ. And now you are saying your daughter is acceptable to us, right? And do not worry about her. We will love her 1,000 times more than you loved her. And now on, she is our daughter, right? You are saying that in front of Lord Fire, right? So put this rice in front of Lord Ganesh. No, in front of Lord, over there, in front of Lord Ganesh. That's your 2,000 times more, right? तो काश्यप गोत्रस्य भारत देशे गुर्जर राज्ये इधर नाम ग्रामे काश्यप गोत्रस्य गंगेश्वर गोत्रस्य श्री राव साहेब देवस्य प्रपौत्रम. राव साहेब, राजकुमार तो श्री राजकुमार देवस्य पौत्रम एंड श्री अभिनंदन देवस्य पुत्रम भरतेश कुमार नाम विष्णु रूपाय वराय. तो हमारे पुत्र के लिए आपकी कन्या हमको स्वीकृत है, राइट? तो हम स्वीकार करते हैं और बहुत प्यार से रहेंगे. वो जो मिठाई है ना यहाँ पे, वो किधर गई? वेयर इज द मिठाई? हाँ, तो आप इनको जरा मिठाई खिलाओ, वो आपको खिलाएंगे. और ये मिठाई में जो मिठास है, इसमें जो स्वीटनेस है, ऐसी स्वीटनेस हम बना के रखेंगे फॉर ऑल द टाइम, राइट? चलो तो आप खिलाओ एक दूसरे को. ये मेरे को दे दो. नहीं, हाँ, एक दूसरे को खिलाओ. हाँ, खा लो. आज तो खाने का है, कोई बात नहीं. गोली खा पड़े तो फिर खा लेना. हाँ, और फिर एक दूसरे को हग करना है, और फिर पिक्चर भी लेना है. हाँ, हग करके. सो गो अहेड. या so go ahead, hug each other and look at the camera बोथ ऑफ यू लुक एट द कैमरा. हाँ, तो ये हो गया फैमिली यूनियन. हाँ, इसी तरह से ये दोनों, हम गुजराती में वेवण बोलते हैं, राइट. हाँ, तो एक दूसरे को मिठाई खिलाएंगे और हमेशा हमेशा के लिए ऐसी मिठास रखेंगे, राइट. आप दोनों एक दूसरे को हक कर लो, खाना खा लो पहले, और कैमरे के सामने देख लो और हक करो. हाँ. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our ceremony except one part is the Kanya Vidai. So we'll do a Kanya Vidai after the some photography and after the dinner, lunch, whatever. But I thank you very much, all of you. You are very peaceful. You are 90% peaceful. And there was no wilderness like some other place. We see a very wild crowd. This we are very peaceful, very respectful, and I appreciate that. So thank you all of you. Enjoy the lunch, and we'll see you in the Vidai. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Namastubyam prasidamam bhaskara divakara namastubyam prabhakara namosude ध्रुवाय नमः ध्रुवनारायणाय नमः सूर्य नारायणाय नमः. अग्निदेव को प्रार्थना करते हैं. द लास्ट प्रेयर टू लॉर्ड फायर दैट अग्निदेव you came here and witnessed our children's wedding ceremony. So thank you very much for coming, Agnidev, right? And now you go back to your place, and whenever we call again, right, you please come back. Gaccha gaccha surasreshta swasthane parmeshwara yatra brahmadev deva satra gaccha udashana yantu devgana sarve sashakya pujramaya ishtakama prasiddhyartham punaragamanaaya cha आवाहिता देवता स्वस्थाने गच्छत मम शुभ शुभ कार्येण पुनरागमनाय च. ओम शान्तिः 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 सुशान्तिर् भवतु. So now the parents are here, so take the blessings from both the parents, right, and then you carry on with your business. Oh, sorry. Can you help me to put this away, right? We'll put this on the side. એટલે આ બધા ફોટા ફોટા પાડો કિધર. આ લઈ લો. Yeah. Can you move this out? Yeah. अभी हो गया, सब हो गया. अभी आप खाना वाना खा लो, फिर कन्या विदाई करेंगे, ठीक है?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I want you guys to throw these flowers. Let's go. Come on, DJ Raj, play the song.
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है गुदगुदी कर रही हवा हल्ला मचा रही